All right, so we're going to go ahead and do a practice problem together. Actually, we'll do a few together. This first one says Kelly opened up a savings account and put in an original amount of $765. The bank pays a simple interest rate of 2% annually. How much money will Kelly have earned after 5 years? So the question is, and then also, what will the total value of her account be? Now, my keywords here would be interest rate, simple interest rate. So that tells me that this is a simple interest problem. So I will be using our I equals PRT formula. So first thing you should do is go into your problem and label what your principal, rate, and time represent. So remember, principal is the original amount of money. So I see that in this problem, the original amount is 765, so that is P. Our rate is 2%, so that's the rate. And our time is 5 years, and I do not have to convert that to years because it's already given to me. So I'm literally just going to plug that into my formula using parentheses to represent each problem. So I have interest equals principal is 765. The rate, remember that the rate has to be expressed as a decimal, so I'm going to take 2%. I know that my decimal is here since it's a whole number, and if I move it 2 times to the left, which is the same thing as dividing by 100, I would get 0.02 times the time in 5 years. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply. I like to multiply my whole numbers first and save my decimal for last so I don't have to worry about it. So 765 times 5 I got 3,825. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in here. I've multiplied those together to get this. Now my last step is to multiply by 0.02 or 2/100. We've got 10, 4, 5, 8, 16. Sorry, I'm going fast so that I make sure I can get all of this in. I don't have to use a 0. So I've got interest is $76.50. That means that this is extra money that Kelly earns because she has a savings account. Okay, now if we want the total value of her account after that amount of time, you would go through and add this number back to your original, which is 765, plus $76.50. And you would get $841.50 as the total value of her account.